Morning, everyone. The last of the old fence. Now, one of the issues we have with our old fence is everyone wants this. The best chicken keeper outer ever. The best chicken keeper outer. So we went, that's off the old fence. We went and kind of divided it up, 3 sections. 1, 2, 3, and we're just gonna share it out. Whoever gets here first gets to choose, which is ham. The neighbor always wins. So he probably got the best pieces, trust me. The thing is, when I pulled off the old fence, there was so much growing in between it, and I just ripped it. And I didn't even want to use it to put it on the other fence because it's been in the sun for probably 2 years now. And it's just not as strong as it should be. The sun's just eating it. At least I don't have to worry about cleaning it up. So the old gates, Ham took one, Noi jumped on the other. She's like, okay, I'll take this one. So she stuck it here. By the end of the day, all the meshing and everything will be cleaned up. It'll be gone. Well, I don't know. Dang's actually at work. Look at the cat, look. She's out and about. Wow. Totally new. She's like a brand new cat. Okay, you know what's going on today? Absolutely nothing. I went and got some extra bought because I am hoping materials come in for the fence. When we were talking to the worker, he wanted, it needs 14 bags of concrete and 2 yards of sand. But he wanted to get 10 bags, and I was like, well, we should just get it all. I honestly think the cost of the concrete and everything will be just under 100 Canadian. I'm gonna say 2,300 baht. Are we gonna put it inside here? Is he gonna drive over this? Oh, this is the test. My wife's yelling, too much problem. Okay, this is the gate. Now I lock this. Well, I didn't build it up that great. Hey? Well, what about all this? I gotta move all the mesh. Oh, it's just my luck. Now I think he's gonna dump the sand here. Now I'm gonna have to pull all this back. Okay, we got trees in the way. Look how full that is. I'm gonna say that's overweight. That's a little overweight. Uh-oh. I don't know about this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. That was so close. Okay, this ain't looking good. Okay, he's gonna go turn around because I'm trying to explain to him, hey, I could just open this gate, but I can't say that in Thai. Hey, I'll just open the gate, you can turn around and come back. But what I'm worried about is he's gonna bottom out on this concrete. This is bad. Oh my God. He just made that. You don't understand? He couldn't get in here. I hope he's not gonna try to turn around. Whoa, 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 you're gonna take your tree out. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I tell him to go back this way.
Tell him to drive forward, dump the sand, I can open the other gate. Okay, we're having some very big sand issues. I can't even videotape it because he's gonna take out our tree. Joy is just sitting there. I don't know what she's doing. Looking at lottery, probably. I gotta go get a shovel. Okay, either I'm a genius or I'm an idiot because I opened the other gate and told him, hey, you can just drive through here and then come back up. The problem is, he's just so overloaded. Yeah. Oh, some of the sand's dropping. Sorry, I wasn't watching you, watching him. Yeah, keep on going. Keep on giving her back there, yeah. We're gonna make this happen. We are gonna make it happen. Uh-oh, we stalled the truck. Oh, come on, truck. Holy shit. Holy shit, we did it. Okay, honestly, that took probably 20 minutes. And I try to only do 20-minute video. You get to see just a little portion of it, which would probably be like maybe a minute. But this is why everything takes so long in Thailand. Cat's gonna love it. That's her new litter box. Woo, what a day. I was more worried about at the end just the new concrete, because last night I put more dirt in here, but this needs, I need to get some dirt. This needs to be filled up on both sides. But in fairness, he's so overloaded. There's only maybe 2 inches, 3 inches when he was crossing it. Oh God. Okay. I'm sweating. I'm absolutely sweating. Oh, I'm so scared of this concrete. Oh, it just passes. Okay, I gotta get some dirt. Maybe get a load of dirt. I think a load of dirt is maybe 400 baht. That was, honestly, that was the most stress I've had. Just worrying about the concrete on the ground. I didn't see it. It's way too high. I'm gonna see if I can get a load of dirt. Got one. I got one. I finally caught a fish. Now, let me see if I can get this fish back. And bear with me. This is a nice little fish. This is the quietest I've seen the farm since we've been back. And I mean quiet, like no one's around. I'm just gonna throw this fish in a bucket and I might try to catch another one. Where do you want this fish?
Barbecue.
Okay, I'm gonna throw this fish in the bucket and then I'm gonna go back and then I'm gonna start this video. Oh, let me put him in. Oh, that's so hard. Just wait, let me get the hook out. Not start the video, end the video. Today was a hectic day. Here, you gotta hold this line up for me. Right there. Okay, pausing. Ooh, nice. Okay. Oh. You gotta take the hook out of him though. Just like, let me do it like this. Oh. Okay, hook it. Oh.
To sweet it.
Let's see if I can fight this down.
Yes.
Okay, you got him. I got him. Ow.
And you have to sweet them hard.
Here
Here you go.
The thing is, oh shit. The thing is, he's sharp. I think I cut my hand. Well, not cut, but pinched it. Okay, that's 2 fish. She wants to eat fish. Two fish down. Now, first of all, she wanted 2 fish. Now she'll say, oh, let's get 3 fish. Let me see my hand. I see a little bit of blood. I'm gonna be okay though. No fish.
ว้าตกใจเบิด
No fish?
Nothing.
Oh. Are you fishing something different?
I want like 2, 3 of them. I didn't one. You know what I mean?
You're not using a bobber?
I using this now. I try changing.
Okay, so I spotted a big problem with the gates. And it wasn't hard to spot the problem because when I went to close that gate, I found a problem. So, this is kind of the issue we got going on here. I'll show you. Now, if you see right up here, some of these welds, there's nothing holding it. So what they do is they they kind of give it a tack, a weld, and then they take the grinder and grind it off. Well, 90% of it is gone, and there's only a tiny little bit. So thank God it happened now and not later. But last night when I was closing this gate up, this is what happened. So you could see I could just pull off the rods just by grabbing these. Oh, see, I could take this one's off. So we're gonna have to get them back to come fix this up. Extra welding, hopefully on the main gate, which it's bigger steel. I don't know, I might go look at it. Hopefully that's not an issue there, but obviously too is when they cut the steel, it's not exactly the right height. It might be a little short, a couple of mils short, and they're just gonna fall off. So I guarantee during rainy season, those would just start popping off. So thankfully I figured it out now and not later. So hopefully we'll get it fixed, get them to weld right around it. And let's see this gate. See, they kind of did the same thing. So some of them, there's just not much. But I'm gonna end this video